Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. And I'm here with part 2 of the Junk Journal Friends Across the Miles Junk Journal Challenge. I'm making the items to go in it. So I'm working on some ruffles. So I cut these strips kind of small. And all I'm doing is basically taking it and making a little space, going up like so, and just taking it and pushing the folds down, almost like a waterfall. Just try to line them up best you can. So let me see, I want this one to come up right up there. Let me zoom you guys in so y'all can see a little bit better. There you go. Now y'all can see what I'm doing. I'm just pulling it, holding my finger over here, and just folding it like so. Okay, and just rubbing it in, and do the same thing here. And then I take I take my little clips that I have, my quilt clips, and clip them on here. And I have no more of my little bucket to clip on here. So I'm going to sew them once I have my stitches out of my thumb. Let me see if I can find some hanging around because my bigger container is kind of covered. I'll take this one here because this one's small enough. And I'll pick this up like so and just clip it like that. I can use one more clip and just put it over here. And then I'll put that in my little bucket and start on my next one. I mean, you can use paper clips. You can use whatever you want. Now, this one I want a little bit longer, so I'm going to go like so. Keep going. They will all come out short, but once you start sewing them together, it will be a little better. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to sew some lace onto this. And once I have the lace sewn on, I will be back to show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so I don't have no more clips here. Oh, there's my, nope, that's not my container for my clips. Where are my clips? Uh-oh. I lost all my clips, guys. I lost all my clips. Let me see if I can find one. I have some somewhere. Okay, I will just use this one. And it clips the whole thing except for this one here. I think if I move it, if I angle it right, I got all of them. Okay, so that's that. And here's the container I made. And they're very easy. All I do is take some scraps. Okay. And it's like scraps of paper. Like all the cutoffs from your projects that you use, that you make. I just keep the scraps and use them for something else. And this happens to be one of the things I use them for. So I want to thank you all for watching. Please remember, everything is made with love in every stitch. Let me zoom out a bit. Uh-oh. I lost my zooming buddy. There we go. I'm going to zoom out. And remember, just thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't done so already, please do hit that subscribe button and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content, do premiere, or go live. Also, please be kind, be caring, be crafty, be safe, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.